Hey, my name is Saifuddin. You may call me Sav. I'm a full stack developer with more than 7 years of experience working at top companies like Big Four, EY, and HCL. A strong background in Lean and Learn stack, I have spent years mastering the art of building scalable, efficient applications. These where you will learn from basic to advanced topic. We will cover it all whether you are beginner or an experienced developer. In this series, I have designed in such a way that you would be an expert in React, and I guarantee you won't regret this series if you store in your wish list. I would suggest you to subscribe my channel so that you can get all the latest update of my upcoming video. In this course, we will have a 360-degree understanding of React. If you are a beginner or even a very beginner do not have that knowledge to start with, in this React course, you do not have to worry anything about. You just need a very basic knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and that's all. So let's start the video series in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.